Game Trends TV on YouTube. Okay, if you are new to this channel, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends and family so that they can enjoy contents coming from this channel and you never miss any of my variable videos. Okay, so for today we are gonna talk about Pi Network price, as you have seen in the title. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about how Pi price is being determined. Okay, what will be the Pi price? Okay, what's gonna be the value of one Pi? That's what we are here to talk about. Okay, and we're gonna talk about how you can withdraw your Pi and how you can do your KYC. We're gonna talk about the KYC, the mainnet, and as well as some of the new information that have just been received on here on our channel. Okay, so we're only gonna tell you the truth and nothing else. Okay, for those that are still doubting about Pi and maybe they're still thinking of joining Pi. Okay, those that are still thinking of joining Pi, or maybe they were reluctant of joining Pi. Hey, guys, Pi is gonna make you a millionaire, and this is the time that you have to join Pi Network and start mining. Because if you delay, you won't be able to make any amount of it. Okay, so this is the best time to join Pi, nothing else. Okay, if you don't join Pi today, and if you join Pi maybe in the mainnet, or maybe in December, or somewhere around when maybe a lot of Pi has been mined already, it means that it will take you a lot of time to mine one Pi. Okay, so you better join now, because this is legit. This is serious business. Okay, there are a lot of apps that have copied Pi Network, and now their prices of they are already listed on the market. They are doing well. But if you look at them, they are copying from Pi Network, because Pi Network is the first app where you can mine cryptocurrency, and this is the first Android, or you can say phone mining cryptocurrency. The rest are just copying from Pi. Whether you see Egon, B Network, BitcoinLegend, all those are just copying from Pi. And by the way, if you want to join these other currencies, feel free, the links are in the description box below. Okay, all right, so we're going to talk about how Pi price is going to be determined. First of all, let me talk about the mainnet. Okay, the mainnet will be launched on 28th June next month. Right now, today is 26, so it means that we got 1 month remaining for us to join the mainnet. Okay, so first of all, before the mainnet comes, make sure that you have a national ID right behind you, your passport or your driver's license, because you will need them. Okay, so because in the mainnet, once you join the mainnet, that means you will have to do KYC to be part of the mainnet. So before you join the mainnet, you have to do KYC. So to join KYC, the requirements are simple. You need to have a national ID or a passport or a driver's license, one of these IDs. Okay. And secondly, you need to do your KYC in a place where there is light. Okay. And thirdly, make sure that your national ID and the face that is on your ID matches with your face. If your face on the national ID it was that you had your hair shaved, or maybe your beard shaved, make sure that you have also your hair shaved or beard shaved, because you don't need to fill this KYC by any chance, by any means necessary. Okay, and the most important thing about this the KYC, make sure that your ID is updated. Okay, or your passport, anything of that is updated. It's to date. It's still working. Don't bring an expired card. You fail KYC. Once you fail KYC, I don't know when you're gonna have the next chance to do your KYC, because it's taking a lot of time. Okay. All right. So the other thing about KYC is that make sure that your name on the KYC, the name on the app matches with that of your national ID. Okay, if you have a full name, make sure that your full name, your middle name, your first name, and your last name are appearing both on the national ID and also on the mining app. Okay, if your national ID has names, your name, your middle name, and your last name, and your Pi app doesn't have all these names, make sure that you change them now. Okay, I'm gonna talk about it at the end, how you gonna change your name. All right. So right now, that's about KYC. So in the mainnet, before you join the mainnet, make sure that you update your phone number, your Facebook, your Google account. Make sure that these things are updated, because in the mainnet you will need both, either one of these, so that you can join. Because in the mainnet you have to log in again. So as you are logging in again, it will require one of these, and plus you also need to verify that if you are a human being, and then it's you logging on. That is a factor authentication. All right. So before I go on further, if you are a newcomer or you just heard about Pi and then you are interested to join, there is a link in the comment section and the description box. If you're watching it on Facebook or on YouTube, make sure you use it and join. And you're gonna download the app on Play Store. You sign up using your name, your first name and your last name. Okay, and also put my referral code is section1. Put it that there, and then you're gonna put in your username, and then finish filling up the rest of all. So once you download the app, you're gonna reach to this page where to say you have to start mining. So all you're gonna do is click on this button that says tap to mine. Once you click on this button, you see that it will start mining. Okay, let me click mine. So first of all, once you click, it says your phone number, unverified phone number. By mine, due to this condition, it's not final. Will be lost if the person never verifies their phone number. So unverified phone. Oh, I haven't verified my phone number. Oh, I have to verify it. I'll verify it and I'll show you in the next video. So I'll just say okay. So first of all, these people are unverified. Okay. Anyway, let me just click on mine. All right. We'll talk about it later in the next video. So right now, you just click on the. I'm going through all the security circles because I've created my own security circles. I'll talk about more on how you can create a security circle to mine more Pi. Okay. Right now I'm mining my Pi at 1.3. Okay, but then this is not the base rate. Okay, the base rate is 0.03, but I'm mining at 0.13 because I have I've looked up my Pi, and I've also created my security circle. So make sure that if you use my code, you comment in the comment section below. You tell me that you have used my code, and then we're gonna discuss more how you can prosper in the Pi network. Okay. Okay. So we are talking about the mainnet. You have to verify your number. I don't know what happened here. My number is unverified. I'll try it again. Anyway, so let's now we have talked about KYC and the mainnet, and now we have to talk about how the Pi price is gonna maintain. Okay? So before I talk about how Pi price is gonna be maintained, I have to talk about two things: the Pi consensus and the Pi hackathon. I want to explain much in details so that I don't want to fight this video. In simple terms, the Pi hackathon is the developers' platform where developers are allowed to come on this app and develop application or add their application to the Pi app or the Pi browser, that is. Okay. So what it means that if you have a gaming app, or if you have a website store app application, okay, let's say you do online business and you have an application where people can buy through your app, you can take that app and put it on Pi browser. That means anyone who wants to buy your dress can buy that dress on the Pi browser through your app. I mean, you can buy that dress on your app through the Pi browser with Pi coins. Okay? Do you know what that means? It means that people are now gonna be able to pay or to buy things on your app directly from the Pi browser, on your app through the Pi browser, and which means that the Pi won't move out from the Pi ecosystem. What it means that Pi will just be circulating in the Pi network only, the Pi blockchain. It won't go to other exchanges or what, which means that the fees will be low. If the fees will be low, it means that less Pi will be spent. If less Pi will be spent, it means that much Pi will be saved. If much Pi is being saved, or the economy of much of the Pi is being saved or is accumulated on the Pi network, other than going out, it means that the price is going up, will be going up and up. Okay, so what the Pi hackathon simply means is just that you're gonna be buying things on the Pi app, Pi browser. Okay, so for those that want to join the Pi hackathon, it's very simple. You can join. You can go to the Pi browser and then go to the developers, and then you can add your whatsoever, your applications and so what. Okay, for those that have business as well, you can also go there. Okay, all right. You can go to the brainstorm and add your ideas. That's the use of the hackathon. And the second thing is the consensus. So the consensus, this is a protocol. Mostly you can say Pi uses the Stellar consensus protocol. This one is very intriguing. I won't explain much of it, but in the end, in the simple terms, what it means is that it gives an opportunity for people in the community or Pi ecosystem to discuss things that are affecting them and to determine what is affecting them and what should not affect them, how to solve everything. That means the Pi governance, the Pi community can determine whatever happens on the Pi, whatever should be included on the Pi, whatever should not be included in the Pi. Since Pi is an open source code, it means that everyone can add their own thing, whatever they want, since it's not owned by one person. Everybody can get the code and add whatever they want. Okay? Without affecting others. So that's what it means. So, how does the consensus help us? As I can say, it gives power to the community. It means that everyone can say whatever they want. In the end, what happens is people will be able to vote for the price of Pi that they want. It means that the Pi price will be determined by the whole community. So, the mean price is the price that the Pi will have. Okay? So if I say Pi price will be $100, someone say it will be $1,000, someone might say $1. For example, if I'm saying Pi, I would say Pi is at $100. Someone wants to buy Pi at a cheaper price to say, I'm going to buy Pi at $1. Someone in America will say, no, Pi should be at $1,000. Someone will say $100,000. All these prices will be collected and a mean average will be determined. And that mean average will be the Pi price. That will be the price that Pi will get after being listed. Okay? So the Pi price will only increase if people are going to look up more Pi. That is, if the Pi ecosystem is going to have more Pi in than the Pi that is coming out. Okay? If you use less Pi outside, it means that more Pi will be left in the ecosystem, and once more Pi is left in the ecosystem, it means that more demand will be coming from people outside demanding for Pi. Once the demand is high, meaning says that there is less Pi outside than in the ecosystem, and then the demand is more, there is more demand on the market than the supply of Pi on the market. It means that the Pi price will be going up and up. That's how the Pi price will be determined. Okay? So, the rest of the things I will be explaining in the end. So, as I say, This is what you're gonna be doing. So I've explained about the mainnet, I've explained about the KYC, I've explained about the price of pi being affected by the hackathons and the consensus, most execution being determined by the consensus protocol on the pi network. Okay, so those things, much of it have been explained in the white paper, and the calculations have also been done by some of my colleagues that are good at calculating computer algorithms and mathematical computations. Okay, so make sure that you add. So for those that have promised that you can change your name or verify your number, you're gonna have to go to your profile. So you have to go to the profile and do that. I'll explain that in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment this video. I'll see you in my next video. Smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Next video is gonna be about the value of Bitcoin Satoshi and how you can get an NFT, how you can buy NFT.